CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tool. Ping. Let's continue our journey through the CLI toolbox and explore another essential tool, ping. The ping command is a network utility used to test the reachability of a host on an IP network. Ping can also measure the round-trip time for messages sent between two devices. It's one of the most fundamental tools for network diagnostics. Imagine you're trying to contact a friend to see if they're home. You send a message and wait for a response. If they reply, you know they're there and how long it took for them to respond. Similarly, ping sends out small packets of data, known as echo requests to a specific IP address and waits for a response, known as echo replies. This process helps determine if the destination host is reachable and how long it takes for the packets to travel to the destination and back. When you use the ping command, you can quickly determine if there is a network connection between your computer and another device. For example, to ping Google's DNS server, you would type ping 8.8.8.8. In this example, the command sends 4 packets to the IP address 8.8.8.8 and receives replies from it. The results show the round-trip time for each packet and a summary of the statistics, including the number of packets sent, received, and lost. A 0% loss indicates a stable connection to the target IP address. The ping command can be particularly useful in various scenarios. For basic connectivity tests, if a user reports they can't access a website or service, the first step is to ping the server to check if it is reachable. If you get replies, the server is reachable, and the issue might be with something other than network connectivity. For latency measurement, the time it takes for the packets to travel back and forth, measured in milliseconds, helps gauge the latency of the connection. High latency can indicate network congestion or issues with the network path. For packet loss detection, if packets are lost during the ping test, it suggests there might be a problem with the network link or the destination server, indicating potential issues like network congestion, faulty hardware, or misconfigurations. The ping command is a simple yet powerful tool that can quickly give you insights into your network's health. By understanding and using ping, you can efficiently diagnose and troubleshoot network connectivity issues, ensuring smooth and reliable communication within your network. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.